Meaning of inbuilt.
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 Inbuilt. The term inbuilt refers to something that is an inherent part of a system or object, and is not added separately or as an accessory. It could also mean that something is built in or integrated into a larger structure. Inbuilt functionality or features are those that come standard with a product or service, rather than requiring additional components or upgrades. The use of inbuilt technology can streamline operations and improve efficiency, while also reducing costs and eliminating the need for external devices. Overall, the term inbuilt implies that something has been designed or constructed to incorporate its intended purpose from the outset.